Alright YouTube, Saturday night in-hand group break. 5 boxes 08 Premier, 1 box 07 Exquisite Rookies, all baseball. We're on Blog TV with 39 viewers. Thanks everybody that joined. Box 1 of 08 Premier. Good luck everybody. I hope everybody gets some sick stuff. Pack 1. Alright, our base card is for the Indians, number 7 out of 99 of Ryan Garco. Then, we got a rookie auto for the Colorado Rockies of Joe Kashansky, numbered out of 75. Rockies are CFO J. Then we get a dual jersey, numbered out of 50 for the Red Sox of David Ortiz and Kevin Youkilis. Red Sox go to Tally. Then for the Atlanta Braves, we got a dual patch. I don't like this guy personally because he stunk it up for my team, but it's a nice patch. Andrew Jones, numbered out of 50. That goes to my user 3007. Then our manufactured patch is a nice Hall of Famer for the Giants, Juan Marichal out of 75. Giants goes to Sox 9. It says 9-time All-Star. Then for the Seattle Mariners, goes to Pine Tar Sports. We got a quad jersey of Felix Hernandez. It says King for King Felix. And then our last card is a dual auto, and it's for, I don't know what is up with this, it's 2 shortstops. Luis Aparicio and Chin Lung Hu, number 10 out of 25, White Sox and Dodgers. I've got the White Sox, and NHL in Seattle has the Dodgers, so I'm going to have to talk to him about that one. Pretty sick. 10 out of 25. So, there you go. That's box 1. We'll just do 1 box per video, keep the video short. Peace. Alright, we're back. Box 2. Break, second box of 08 Premier. Got a dual auto in the first one. It's probably one of the better hits. Patch of Andrew Jones. Dual jersey of Youkilis and Ortiz. Quad jersey of King Felix. A rookie auto for the Rockies. And what else? Manufactured patch for the Giants. Can't believe I remembered all that, but what up? Sweet short-term memory. There we go. Good luck, boys. Everybody on Blog TV trying to get their mojo going. We got 3 thick cards. So either 2 patches, maybe there's a bat barrel. Here we know. Who knows? We'll see what we got. For the New York Mets, got a Paul LaDuca out of 99. Then for the Dodgers, again for NHL in Seattle, Jonathan Malone, numbered out of 75. Here we go for the Phillies. First hit out of this entire case for the Phillies. It's a nice one. Triple jersey of Chase Utley, Mike Schmidt, and Cole Hamels, numbered out of 50. Then our patch, real nice patch here. One's a solid color, the other one's got 3 colors and 1, 2, 3, 4 breaks or so. David Ortiz for the Red Sox out of 75. Then our manufactured patch, also for the Red Sox, is Daisuke Matsuzaka. It says Daisuke. Next one's the big thick card, and if it's something real nice, we'll save it for the end. And it is something real nice, so we'll save it for the end. For the Indians, out of 15, number 15 out of 15, a Travis Hafner auto. And the big hit goes to the guy that cleaned up the most last night. For the Tigers and Melbourne Cowboys, 1 of 1, Jeremy Bonderman, LOGOMAN. LOGOMAN. There you go. That's the first time the Truth has ever pulled a LOGOMAN. So, there you go. Pretty sweet hit. Congrats, Melbourne Cowboys. That is box 2. We will do a box of Exquisite next.